Now, here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
And certainly a great night for the trick-or-treaters. I also look forward to tomorrow when we get extra candy in the newsroom. Some of the leftovers that come in when we walk in. A beautiful evening, breezy, mild, and dry. Take a look at Providence. We've had some extra clouds stream in the last couple of hours. It made for a decorative sunset a little while ago. Not producing any precipitation as we're in the final hours of October, and it will go down as 3 inches below average as far as rainfall. There was really only one day in October where we had somewhat significant rain, and that was back on October 7th. All right, temps now range from the mid-60s South Shore, upper 60s to near 70 across inland areas. It'll actually stay in the 60s overnight tonight, so unusually mild. As we talked about earlier, that red flag warning for Friday, I mean, the conditions remain the same. The one change, though, for tomorrow is that there's more of a wind. So low humidity, warm temperatures, dry brush, gusty winds. If brush fires were to start, obviously they would spread more rapidly because of the increasing wind for tomorrow. So again, no outdoor burning. One more unseasonably warm day. Could be near the record, which is 78 degrees. A little sprinkle tomorrow morning, if that, but basically it is another dry day and very warm as well. Sunshine developing by later in the morning and during the afternoon. Make the most of it because much cooler on tap for this weekend. I mean, it's a nice weekend with sunshine, but it's not nearly as warm. And you can clearly see that huge drop in temperature from tomorrow afternoon back to autumn, Saturday, Sunday into Monday, only to spike back up Tuesday and Wednesday. I mean, for the month or for the last couple of weeks, one thing's for sure, these temperatures have been on quite the roller coaster ride up and down. We're the downward trend this weekend. Some clouds overhead right now, but not producing any precipitation. Cold front to our west. This will approach tomorrow, and as it comes through, it may produce a sprinkle, if that. Out ahead of that front, all of this area of orange and yellow indicating the summer-like temperatures, which sticks around for one more day, and then notice there'll be cooler weather back through the northern plains. That will arrive over the weekend. So this front approaching tomorrow morning, but note the green, there's very little. I mean, there could be like a little sprinkle tomorrow morning. If that, you don't even need an umbrella. By later in the morning and during the afternoon, developing sunshine, and it boosts the temperature up significantly to 78 degrees. You're heading out Friday evening. It is a beautiful night, not overly chilly, but the cool air does return for the weekend. Here we are with sunshine, mid-50s for your Saturday afternoon, clear, colder Saturday night. High pressure builds in. It's the fair weather system. Note the absence of clouds. Sunday morning at about 8 a.m., 35. Not much higher than 55 Sunday afternoon. It's not often on November 1st. Your 7 o'clock in the morning temperature is 60, but that's what we're forecasting. Some clouds early, perhaps a sprinkle, if that, then developing sunshine later in the morning. That'll really boost the temperature up quite a bit. The only downside is a windy day. We go from southwest to west to northwest by late in the day, 15, 20, gusts to 25, 30 miles per hour at times. Bay forecast reflects that gusty wind, first southwest and then northwest. All right, 7-day forecast, mild and dry for this evening, and looking at much cooler weather for the weekend, both Saturday and Sunday with sunshine, daytime highs in the mid-50s, nights that'll be in the 30s, and we set that clock back 1 hour before bed on Saturday night. So one more summer-like day coming up.
Pretty crazy. We got to take advantage of it.
Yep.
All right, Tony, thank you. We continue working